Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see physical quantities and its SI units and its relationship. This topic mainly involves higher secondary and university physics syllabus. This topic particularly for JEE NEET students. Okay, now let us see. We are going to see 30 physical quantities and its SI units. Velocity, meter per velocity unit is meter per second. Momentum, what is momentum? Mass times velocity. Momentum is P is equal to mass times velocity. For what is mass unit? Kilogram. Velocity meter per second. So kilogram, this you write it, meter per second. Okay. What is angular momentum? Angular momentum is nothing but L is equal to mvr. Here same mv, r is meter. So what we are going to do? Kilogram meter per second. We are going to do just here 1 meter. We are adding. So kilogram meter square second inverse. Okay. Right? Acceleration. Everyone knows. Meter per second square. Force. What is force? Mass times acceleration. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. So kilogram meter per second square. The same one you are writing. Right? Okay. Force SI unit is Newton. Okay. Note it down. Velocity meter per second. Momentum mass times velocity, kilogram meter per second. Angular momentum L is equal to mvr. Kilogram meter square second inverse. Acceleration meter per second square. Force is Newton. Kilogram meter per second square. Copy it down. Surface tension. Surface tension is nothing but gamma is equal to force by length. It is nothing but kilogram meter per second square divided by meter means kilogram per second square. Okay, surface tension. Or Newton by meter. Pressure P is equal to Pascal, PA is equal to Pascal. Pressure is nothing but force by area. Pressure is nothing but force by area. So kilogram meter per second squared divided by meter squared. What will happen? This m will become kilogram okay, simple. Momentum is change in impulse is change in momentum. Delta P is equal to F times delta T. Okay, so impulse is force times second. Okay. Force is what? Kilogram meter per second square. Kilogram meter per second square times second. So what will become? Kilogram meter per second. Impulse. Force times kilogram meter per second square. Okay. Then energy. Energy is work. Work is joule. Joule is nothing but Newton times displacement. Force times displacement. So very simple. Kilogram meter per second square times meter. Kilogram meter square second square. Okay. Power. You see, surface tension is force by length, force by meter. Pressure is force by area. Impulse is force times second. Energy is force times meter, displacement. Okay. Power. Power is energy. What is meant by energy? Power. Energy within the time. So power is energy by time. Okay. So what will happen? Energy is kilogram meter square per second square by second kilogram meter square second power minus 3. Copy down. Surface tension kilogram per second square or Newton by meter. Pressure Pascal kilogram per meter per second square. Impulse kilogram meter second power minus 1. Energy joule Newton times meter kilogram meter square per second square. Power kilogram meter square per second cube. Okay. Copy down this one. Okay. Length. These all are the basic one. Length is L is equal to meter. Mass M is equal to kilogram, kg. Time second. Temperature Kelvin. Electric current. Electric current is what? Amperes. Amount of substance. Amount of substance is N. Molecule. Luminous intensity, candle law, is nothing but Ct. Copy down this 70, this 7. These all are the basic SI units. Meter, kilogram, second, temperature, electric current, ampere, amount of substance, mole. Okay. Luminous intensity, candle. Frequency is Hertz, Hz. Electric charge, Coulomb. Coulomb is nothing but C is equal to ampere times second. Okay. Electric potential, volt. Volt is what? Energy by Coulomb. Energy is kilogram meter squared per second square. So kilogram meter squared second power minus 3 ampere power minus 1. Note it down until this 3 copy down. Then resistance, ohm. Okay. Resistance is nothing but V is equal to IR. R is equal to V by I. V already we know, kilogram meter squared second power minus 3. So I is equal to ampere. So what will happen? Kilogram meter squared second power minus 3 ampere power minus 2. Okay. Kilogram meter squared second power minus 3 ampere power minus 2. Capacitance. Capacitance is farad. What is meant by capacitance? Farad. C by V. So C is AS. What is V? We already know. Kilogram meter squared second power minus 3 ampere power minus 1. So what will happen? Kilogram power minus 1 meter power minus 2 second power 4 ampere square. Note it down until now. Conductance. Conductance is Siemens or more. Conductance as SI unit we can write Siemens or more. It is a reciprocal of resistance. Conductance is 1 by R. So very simple. What is R? This one. Just to reverse it. Kilogram minus 1 meter power minus 2 S cube ampere square. So I am repeat, electric potential is volt. We have seen kilogram meter square second power minus 3 ampere power minus 1. Resistance ohm, kilogram meter square second power minus 3 ampere power minus 2. Capacitance farad, kilogram power minus 1 meter power minus 2 second power 4 ampere power 2. Conductance Siemens mho 1 by R. Just reverse of it, reciprocal of it, kilogram per minus 1 meter power minus 2 second cube ampere square. Note it down. Okay. Conductance Siemens mho 1 by R, kilogram per power minus 1 meter power minus 2 S cube A square. Okay. Now magnetic flux Weber is nothing but Tesla. Magnetic flux density is Tesla. This is Tesla times meter square. Okay. Or another relationship, volt times second. What is volt? We have seen kilogram meter squared second power minus 3 ampere power minus 1. Kilogram meter squared second power minus 3 ampere power minus 1. Kilogram meter squared second power minus 3 ampere power minus 1. This is for volt. Volt times second is second power minus 2. Second power minus 2. Okay. Kilogram meter squared second power minus 2 ampere power minus 1. This is Weber. Tesla magnetic flux density is Tesla. Tesla is nothing but Weber by meter square. So what will happen? Kilogram second power minus 2 ampere power minus 1. Radioactivity becquerel dq second inverse. Volume meter cube, density kilogram per meter cube, wavelength meter, viscosity pressure times second, kilogram meter inverse. Actually pressure is second power minus 2 will come here, second power minus 1. This is the viscosity units, eta. Note it down. Magnetic flux is Weber, magnetic flux density Tesla, radioactivity becquerel, volume meter cube, density kilogram by meter cube, wavelength meter, viscosity kilogram per meter per second. This is a 30 units. Velocity, momentum, angular momentum, acceleration, force, surface tension, pressure, impulse, energy, then power, then the next base 7 units, length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and the luminous intensity. Then frequency, electric charge is coulomb, ampere times second, electric potential, resistance, capacitance, conductance, magnetic flux density, magnetic flux is Weber, magnetic flux density is Tesla, radioactivity, volume, density, wavelength, and viscosity. Memorize this all 30. If you are very confident on all these 30, you can solve all the sums. I am making JEE physics 100 lessons, chemistry 100 lessons, and maths 100 lessons. Every day one topic, one lesson will come. Please watch the video and make benefit of it. Today is the first lesson. All the best to you.